If you're new to Medicare, one of the most confusing parts is figuring out who to call when you need help. Medicare and Social Security are both involved in the process, but they do very different things. And if you call the wrong one, you'll probably just get referred to the other, which nobody has time for. So let's clear this up. I'll walk you through when to call Social Security, when to call Medicare, and how our team at Boomer Benefits can help you with both. And don't worry, if you're a Boomer Benefits client, we're here to help you anyway. When to call Social Security. Think of it like this. Social Security is who you go through to sign up for Medicare. So if you're just getting started and trying to enroll in Part A or Part B or both, Social Security is your go-to. This includes things like applying for Medicare if you're not automatically enrolled, delaying Part B if you're still working and you have large employer coverage, sending in forms like the CMS 40B and the L564 if you're enrolling after age 65, checking the status of your Medicare application, updating your personal information like your name, mailing address, or banking info for premium payments, and anything related to your Social Security retirement or disability benefits. You'll also want to call Social Security if you have questions about how much your Medicare premiums will be, especially if you're subject to the IRMA, the Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. If you think your premium is too high, you can file an appeal due to a life-changing event like retirement or divorce. And Social Security is the agency that handles that. So you can do most of this online at www.ssa.gov or call them directly. Visiting your local Social Security office is always an option, but be prepared for wait times. So just remember, if it has to do with signing up, premium payments, or your Social Security income, that's a Social Security call. When to call Medicare. Now, once you're actually enrolled in Medicare, meaning you've got that red, white, and blue card in hand, that's when you'll start calling Medicare directly. This includes things like billing questions or claims for services covered under Part A and Part B, asking for a specific test or procedure, finding out if it's covered, finding out if your doctor accepts Medicare, replacing a lost Medicare card, and checking what services are included under Original Medicare. Medicare's phone number is super easy to remember, 1-800-MEDICARE. And the best part? They're open 24/7. So if you have a late night question, you can actually talk to a real person. So to keep it simple, if you're already enrolled and it has to do with what Medicare covers or pays for, that is when you will call Medicare directly. How Boomer Benefits can help. Now, here's the good news. If you have your policy through Boomer Benefits, you don't have to figure any of this out alone. You can always call us first. Our client service team helps with many different things, including questions about what Medicare does or doesn't cover, Medicare claims and appeals support, calling Medicare for you if you're running into red tape and need help. And we've seen almost every situation out there. We're always happy to walk you through it and help you determine who to call. And that's it. Knowing who to call and when can save you a lot of hold time and frustration. If you're feeling a little unsure about how Social Security fits into all of this, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out our next video, Social Security Basics. It'll walk you through how your benefits are calculated, when to file, and how they work alongside Medicare.